Today I'm going to show you how to make a cover for a throw pillow like this. Now my pillow is 17 inches by 17 inches square. What you're going to do is you're going to need to measure your own pillow, and I'm going to use my measurements just to illustrate, but you can do this with any size square pillow. Okay, we're going to do it with one piece of fabric. So to get the measurement for the short side of the fabric, you're going to add 1 inch to that 17 inches. So now I have an 18-inch side. The longer side gets a bit more complicated. You want this side to be the 17 plus 17 plus 6. So this side is going to be 40 inches. Got it? Now you've got a short side of 18 inches and a long side of 40 inches. Now I'm going to just turn under the edges on the short sides of this pillow cover. They're turned under by about 1/2 inch. Now place your fabric right side up and fold in the sides evenly so that they overlap in the centermost point. Pin the side seams together at the raw edges and stitch. And now we're going to stitch down a 1/2 inch seam allowance on either side. Now that I have put my seam on both sides, I trimmed the corners. Hello. And you can see that it has a kind of a flap in the middle. So I'm going to turn it right side out. Now it's right side out, and I can just stuff my pillow into it. So, no zippers, it's so easy and quick, and it's a nice, inexpensive way to freshen your decor. Now I'd like to show you another way to make an envelope pillow cover. First, you measure your pillow. In this case, now I'm using a 16-inch square pillow. The idea is the same though, in that you measure it and you're going to add 1 inch to the 16-inch measurement and cut out a 17-inch square. So 16 inches plus 1 equals 17, and you want a square measuring 17 by 17. The second piece is going to measure 17, because you've added the 1 inch to the 16-inch measurement, by 22, because you're adding 6 inches to the 16-inch measurement. So you have a 17 by 22-inch piece. Then you take that long piece and you cut it in half. So now you have 2 pieces measuring 17 by 11. So the idea is the same as it was when you did the overlap in that one long piece. You're going to want the edges of this to overlap. So we need to put a narrow hem again on the edges that are going to overlap in the middle. So on the inner edges of this flap, I folded under 1/4 of an inch, then another 1/4 of an inch to make a narrow hem, so a total of a 1/2 inch folded over. So now we're going to line up the edges like so, and you see the overlap here. So we have right sides together, and the outer edges are all matched up. And now we have to pin it into place, and then we're going to stitch around the entire outside with a 1/2 inch seam. Now we've gone around all 4 sides of the pillow cover, and we have our flap here. So we need to turn it right side out, just like we did the other one. And we have our pillow to put inside of it. Now that I've sewn a seam on either side,
cut, the dogs in the action.
Now that I've sewn the seam down either side,